Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty Guy. Welcome to today's episode of Decoding Nifty with me. This is a series where we analyze Nifty daily on multiple time frames so that we are prepared to tackle the next day's market with much more confidence and clarity. I thought I would be skipping today's video because I'm traveling back to my uh, city. But yeah, I got some time around here in the layover in Bangkok, and that is the reason I'm just having some good time here at the lounge. And I decided to make this video. So yeah, that's a good thing for me. No days skipped during the entire vacation as well. Yeah. So before we start, a gentle reminder: in case if you guys like the way I analyze Nifty and put out price and concepts, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it to your trading friends and community, and also put down anything that you might have to say in the comment box, be it feedback, be it criticism, or anything that you might have to say or ask me. I am open to everything, right? So on that note, let's start with today's analysis. First, we'll discuss what we had discussed yesterday about today's market versus what happened in the actual market today, and then we'll make a plan for tomorrow. Sorry for that. I am recording from a public place again, so there might be some disturbance. So excuse me for that. And I'll keep the video extremely short today. I have very less time today. I'll need to record plus edit and upload the same. So I'll keep the video extremely short. Today, I seen was a no trading day for me as per my setup. So as I have told you guys, in case the first 15 or first 5 minutes candle is a big range candle, you will hardly find any good trades around that day because see, this was the first 15 minutes candle. The market broke down below this, but immediately reversed. That was a trap setup around here. But again, nothing without any momentum on either side. It was kind of a sideways. We're not exactly sideways. The range was big, but no momentum based trades could have been taken around here as per my setup. Right, we had also discussed that we'll be going long above this particular high with a pullback. Market opened higher with a gap up, immediately came down, gave a pullback, did not even break the low, did not even break the high. So there was no trades, absolutely no trades. And it is not necessary as well to trade every single day. You should only wait for your good setups when the setups are being formed as per our plan, and then we will go all guns out. Now, uh, for tomorrow. See, try to understand what is happening in the market. So this is a broader range in which the high of this range is marked by this blue line, which is there, and the low is around here. The market was in the sideways range since a very long time. Now, market although is opening above this zone, but is not able to give us a closing above this particular zone. And two back-to-back days have been negative days, negative in terms of the closing versus the opening, right? So we'll keep the plan of action extremely simple for tomorrow. We'll delete this. We don't need this. A new high has been created, so we'll need to edit this particular zone of ours, right? This will now move to around here. I see a little bit around rotate. All right. So tomorrow's plan of action. Try to understand. Till yesterday, I was asking you guys to short only below this particular fifth zone. If you remember, or if you go and watch the last video, I said only shorting is below this again with the pullback. For tomorrow, there's one simple and very clear trade is if this high gets taken out, this is high equals to opening, we are going long, right? Say for example, market opens flat and breaks this particular low, you can plan a short trade. You should look at booking your profits around here in case if you're entering this particular trade, right? See, the reason I'm asking you guys to short around here and not yesterday around here was yesterday market opened and then was around here only. But this is a second day of showing that the maybe the buyers are lacking some strength around here, right? That is something that the price action will confirm tomorrow, and that is what we will follow. But we will be prepared for anything. So in case if market breaks this low with a pullback, we will short it, and we will be cautious around this particular zone of ours because this, as per me, is a support zone, and we might see some. um positive price action around here, or maybe in case we have taken the short particular entry, we'll look at booking over positions around here. Another entry that we can look at is a long entry again around this particular zone itself, right? So, say for example, market opens with a gap up, consolidate, breaks out, pull back, we take a long entry. Market opens flat, slightly gap down, breaks down below this with a pullback, we take a short entry. Around here, we'll take a long entry. Sorry, I think I said short entry. And if market opens with some major gap down, we'll look for some buying trades around here based on price action, right? Does not mean if I'm saying that we look for buying trades around here or looking at long the markets, does not mean that we will immediately long the market as soon as it comes here. We'll wait for some positive price action, a double bottom formation, a base formation, and then based on the reversal setup, we will try to take a trade around here for this. Now, there's another, obviously, below this, we are obviously short, but that is something which is not for tomorrow because in case of market trap, already, even if with a major gap down plus going around here, if market opens with a big gap down, where it opens around here, it will be volatile. It will not be giving us a good trade. I mean, the trade will be lost overnight in this particular big gap down. But I'm not expecting that. But yes, below this particular zone, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow again, market is sideways around here, around in this zone. And once it crosses below this zone with a new high not forming, we can look for a short side trade. So we'll be stick to our plan, which is not predict anything, but be ready for anything. So yeah, that's it from my side for today, guys. This is your Nifty guy signing off. From tomorrow, I will be active as usual. I'm returning back to my city tonight, and will be. I'll see you guys again tomorrow post the market. Have a good and positive trading session tomorrow. Cheers. Thank you so much, guys.